Hi, this is Eric from SpaceKap, and this is the Diablo, our tallest, toughest, most rugged model. Built for extreme weather, heavy gear, and serious fieldwork. With 75 inches of interior height, you can walk in and out like a mobile workshop. There's room for your tools, your shelves, your lighting, your generator, even a heater if you want one. It's like having a workshop on wheels. Electricians, plumbers, contractors all use it. Telecom crews use it as well. Emergency responders rely on it every single day. The Diablo is waterproof, dustproof, and built to last a long time. It fits any full-size pickup and gives you 4x4 mobility. If your work takes you to the edge, this is the unit that goes all the way with you. The Diablo, no limits.